Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you Anytype versus Notion. Which one is better? So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So people often wonder if Anytype could be the Notion killer here. So how it stacks up against Notion. Let's dive into the basics and explore some pros and cons. So first is going to be openness and transparency. Anytype prides itself on being open source, with accessible code and transparent development philosophy. This fosters a sense of security and trust among users, knowing they can review much of the code and understand the direction of the platform. Next is going to be database and functionality. Both Notion and Anytype offers database-like capabilities, though Anytype's approach is more flexible but currently less structured than Notion's table-based databases. Anytype treats everything as an object, allowing users to organize and create sets of data sets. Next is going to be speed and performance. Anytype operates on local first basis, which means data syncs quickly across devices from a locally stored backup node. In contrast, Notion is cloud-based, which some users find slower and less responsive. Features and integration. Notion currently boasts advanced features like AI integration, calendar functionality, and numerous templates. In comparison, Anytype is still in early development and lacks some of these advanced integrations and features. We have future developments. Anytype's roadmap includes plans of significant updates such as web clipper, custom storage options, and UX improvements, all set to roll out in the near future. Notion, on the other hand, continues to expand its features set with recent integrations, like the Notion calendar. Now, a word about user experience here. Personal preference here actually plays a big role. Notion offers a more structured, hierarchical approach, while Anytype provides greater flexibility in data management and organization. Now, in conclusion, while Anytype shows promise with its open source approach and flexible data handling, it's currently in its early stage of development compared to the more established Notion, which offers a wider range of features and integration. Choosing between the two depends largely on your specific needs or for data organization, speed, and feature set. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.